Video intercom operation video. Tap Settings to enter the Connect app. Connect to Wi-Fi and enter the password, 1591-347-3606. Open the Tuya app on your mobile phone, tap Scan in the top right corner, and scan the QR code displayed on the screen to connect. Connection successful. Click Finish. Unlock via Tuya mobile app. Door station call and unlock. Screen monitoring unlocked. Swipe card to unlock. Enter password 666666 to unlock. Configuration of all indoor unit functions and application settings. Contact users connected to the Tuya app.